All right, and welcome back to the channel, guys. I have a work order here today. The AC is not turning on, and I just wanted to teach you guys, whoever works in any kind of maintenance kind of work, or maybe you got this at home, how to repair them. So this is an Amana PTAC. Actually, this is 2017 model, so it's pretty old. And it's not turning on. So the first thing you want to see, again, there's power, right? And there's no power on the board. And I know I made a video like this the last time, and no, this is different. This is a different problem. I know, because I got a crystal ball that tells me the future. All right, so what we're gonna do is, guys, definitely before you work in any kind of AC or any kind of appliances or anything like that, go ahead and disconnect it before you die. Unplug it. Make sure that it's not plugged in, okay? Because this will kill ya. So what we're gonna do again is go ahead and remove the two screw on the board. All right, I'm recording this with my phone, so I'm gonna have to put the phone down and come back, so stand by. All right, so what we do, go ahead and move the board cover right off. And what you want to do before you start, going through a bunch of crap, just look at this board, and as I'm passing with the phone, you're gonna see it's dirty, a lot of dust. But the first thing I seen here, and how I know that this could be the problem, you can look at this right here. See that right there? That looks like it's burnt. Okay, guys? See that? That's effed up. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna go ahead and replace that. And hopefully, this will take care of the problem. I'm sure it will be. So what we want to do is, once we take this off, you're gonna have to remove this right here, so to make it a lot easier if you had another extra set of hands. But you remove it just like that, you pull it right off. So when you work on this crap, it makes things a lot better. So remember, when you put this back, you do not want to fuck this up. So do things the right way, guys. Let me get back with you, and so you can see how I fix it. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and just remove this sensor right here. Be the first thing to do. Okay, and that goes right in front of it. You can tell that this thing being around the block. This is like an old ass hooker hanging in the corner, just being used and abused, but you still want more. Yeah. Anyway, guys, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove that screw, that one, this one, and that one. And let's start by doing that. All right, so I already removed all four screws that holds the board. A lot of people, when they make a video, they start, with the multimeter. Oh, let me check this and check that. Yes, that's the right thing to do. But since I do this every day, we're gonna fucking pass through this shit with no problem, because I want to show you the basic. Yeah, you can get a multimeter and start fucking, checking all the voltage and this and that, but as you look, it doesn't take a mother freaking rocket science that when you look at this board, there's the problem. You know what I'm saying? I don't need to go ahead and get the multimeter and explain to you every fucking detail how to check this and check that. I want to teach you guys how to fix this shit so you can go on with your day. So anyway, guys, so once you got that off, you can see it comes right off. And I say, yeah, I'm gonna put a new one on my ass. They don't spend no money in this hotel. I'm the only guy here that know how to fuck with all this stuff here, because nobody else know. And I said that before. And I save parts from ACs like a junkyard. Boom. I got one from one that the compressor took a dump, and I'm gonna install this one. My boss like to be buying stuff, and I don't. I like to reuse shit. So what we're gonna do, we go ahead and remove these two wires right here. Remove these wires right here. It's nice if I had another hand. Well, I had somebody else to help me, but I don't have none of that. None of that. You know what I mean? I basically work by myself. All right, guys. So remove that. Put it here on the side. Don't forget that you need to put that back. Okay? And how we do this? Real simple. You're gonna go ahead and look at this and look at the other one. All you're gonna do right there is start transfer those wires back to this board, and you can see that right there says line 1. This is the one for the heater. Okay, this is the high voltage for the heater. Then we got more the voltage 1, line 2. Here's the one for the compressor, and all you're gonna do is transfer those wires back to this board. Okay, guys, it's not hard. All you're gonna do is transfer it. And how you transfer it, Jesus Christ, let me see. You take this wire, right? So you don't get confused. Go ahead and put it on this one here. You see what I'm saying? So you can just follow the pattern of where you need to transfer the board. So let's go ahead and hump on this and get it knocked out. Okay, and for those that are always gonna have a hard time, but how am I gonna do this? Get yourself a little needle plier like this, and you this right here like so, and then you're just gonna go and boom, pull it right off, and just keep on transferring those wires. Okay. All right, so you can see I already have changed more than 5 wires. And I'm gonna continue with line 2 voltage and put it right next to it and continue as we go. All right, so I already transferred all the wires. Take the old board out. You can see that, and just get overheated, man. You know, I mean, hell. 2017, don't you think that thing being around for quite a bit, especially something that gets used 24/7 or friggin' that. So okay, so once you got that done, guys, go ahead and put those 4 screws back on. Don't forget to plug this right here. It's low voltage for your transformer. That's what your transformer right here. All right, go ahead and put those 4 screws back on, and let's see what it do. All right, so I already put the 4 screws back on. Okay, we're gonna put this back on, and this is how you operate the AC. And you're gonna go ahead and put it right on there. You're gonna push that in. Make sure you do not bend that. Be very gentle, okay, guys? I only got 2 hands, so I'm about to put the phone down. Let me go. All right, so I already installed that back on. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it back on. Don't forget to plug this back on too, guys, because without the sensor, it will not turn the PTAC on. All right, so put that back on. And those prompts, they get bent real easy, so try to be very, very, very gentle when you fuck with this. Go ahead and plug it in. All right, fucker started before I even got to hit play. So you can see the PTAC is on and it's working. Let's lower it down to 60. Just go ahead and put it on high. And like I always said, wait until the compressors turn back on, guys. Okay. Now I gotta say that this, we're gonna go ahead and put it on the thermostat. The other one, I believe, is not on the thermostat. We having a lot of problem with the thermostats here, so we having the guests to be able to control the PTAC through the board. So we got to replace the thermostat. So let's go ahead and put those 2 screws back on, and then we go ahead and check temperature. Okay, guys? So bear with me. All right. So the AC, I just heard the compressor starts. Oh yeah, you see how bad of the shape this PTAC is, but hey, it still works. So you know, you can't throw away things that still work, right? So let's check the temperature, and the compressor just kicked back on, so it's gonna take a bit, and you're gonna see the temperature is dropping very, very fast. I always suggest that you always check the temperature on your PTAC, because if you think that you fixed it and walk away and the compressor is not kicking back on, you're gonna find out that you haven't done anything right besides everything wrong. Got that? So as you see, the temperature keep on dropping down to 58 degree, and for Las Vegas, 58 degree is heaven. All right, guys, now I'm gonna teach you how to put this PTAC back on the thermostat. What you want to do is go ahead and plug your thermostat on the AC. I know, and it's kind of hard because I'm only got two hands. You hit the arrow down, the minus and the plus. You hit the off button twice, then you hit heat. Right here, you're gonna keep going until you find the L5. Again, like that, twice, heat, and then you're gonna keep going, like moving you up and down until you go to L5. Once you get to L5, like so, you just go ahead and hit the off button, and that means that you set that setting to the thermostat. I hope you liked the video and you understood what I just got done showing you guys. If you have any questions, you can always send me a message. For those that like to criticize, have a great day. And for those that are willing to learn so you can get ahead in life and can make more money, hey, just take the advice I give you, and hopefully you get this right. This will make you very, very valuable in your job. I know if I hire somebody, if they know how to fix this stuff like this, you know, that person to me is very valuable. Maintenance people like us, it's hard to get good people that do their job and people that are dedicated to learn. So thank you so much for watching my channel. Don't forget to smash that like button, and if you're new, please subscribe. Have a good one, guys. God bless.